Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing on this Monday morning? Today is the 9th day of June. Time as I make this is 3:48 a.m. Hi, Rich here. And Alabama's turbulent weather continues. Very unusual, I would say, in the month of June to have day after day after day of severe weather risks and turbulent storm clusters that continue to move through the area. Today we have a level 2 severe weather risk, which is a pretty big deal. There's going to be likely be watches and warnings and maybe 2 rounds of storms. One this morning. Already we're watching, as I make this again, just before 4 a.m., already a cluster of storms has made it all the way into Wilcox County. It will overspread central Alabama as we go through the morning hours, and it could be a turbulent morning commute across the area with maybe some watches and warnings even on round 1. Round 2 would be much later on, perhaps early evening, maybe a little bit before sunset. With another cluster of storms ahead of a frontal system with the potential for watches and warnings again. How about that round of storms we had in the pre-dawn hours of Sunday morning, yesterday morning? I had 3 inches of rain here at this location. By the way, that round was exactly expected as it came through, as the models had told us even 24 hours earlier. If you looked at the Saturday morning blog, the models were perfect on projecting that particular round of storms that we had on Sunday. All right, and the airport had 1.6 inches of rain. So are we about to get into quieter times this week? No, as a matter of fact, we're not. The risk of showers and thunderstorms will be rather high again tomorrow, Tuesday, and each day this week, a higher than normal summertime rain chance each day, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. On a typical summer day, the rain chance might be 30%, but we're going to see some higher probabilities, 50, 60, 70%, right on through Saturday, perhaps right on through the Father's Day weekend as well. So turbulent times ahead. Highs will be in the 80s, lows at night around 70, maybe upper 60s to around 70. And rainfall totals, as you're going to see below, are going to be significant in some places. Now, when we talk about convection, which is thunderstorms, the rainfall amounts from town to town can vary quite a bit, because of that's just the way it is. It's very variable. It's variable in the summertime, warm weather months. All right, I think you're pretty much up to date. A wet, unsettled, stormy period of time over the next few days, including especially today, I would think, with those 2 rounds of storms expected. Today, everything is normal, including live on the radio, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 WACV. Another forecast discussion, which is what this is, the video, and blog update with all the graphics and good information in the 4 o'clock hour tomorrow morning, and your forecast whenever you want it. Across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. Stay weather aware today. Our weather app, by the way, will keep you on top of the action. If you don't have it on your phone or tablet now, it's great because it has instant push notifications for severe weather alerts for your location. Occasionally you'll hear my voice coming out of your phone telling you you're under a watch or a warning. It has radar, future radar, hourly forecast, 10-day forecast, and so much more. There are so many layers that you can add on to the map as well. And plus access to all my posts on our free weather app. Just go to the App Store, just search Rich Thomas Weather. Have a great day today. I'll keep you up to date, and I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.